Penny chillin' the Kanye to the Gullah Geechee Nation, grind pun the Wakamal. Oh, great God, chillin', but you ain't know what that Wakamal got in store. Take this your journey with me, and on a chillin', go have a see. And more to this your water than what you see with your eye. You have to look in with your soul for seaweed on sandy. Look in this your lens, and then grind down the water. Take this your journey with we to this trip with we Captain Rami. Honna go on yonder, get the way he got the pirate general store, and if you get off, Honna can get it some more. Cause Honna go and find the whole family of just who we to be. We be Gullah Geechee, Pundies your water, not far from the ocean you see. So come on, truly, and grind down the Wakamal with we.